You guys, so it is actually the day after Christmas. I did a terrible job of keeping you guys up to date yesterday with everything that was going on and picking up the camera. I was so busy worrying about making sure that everything was going well with the family and hanging out and doing what we do that I kind of failed at the vlogging thing. I was able to get some footage, but not all the footage that I wanted to get. It was just chaotic with Eric's mom here in the morning, trying to open presents and be present with the family, and then after that we went to my in-laws' house, so it was just like chaotic, and I didn't pick up the camera nearly as much as I wanted to, but I'm going to share with you the footage that I got. And then Christmas morning started bright and early at 7 a.m. Both of my boys woke up before then. But that's what time we told them they could wake us up. So 7 a.m. Eric and I had coffee, and then we immediately got to work unwrapping presents, opening stockings. The boys got so much great stuff that they were super excited about. And it was just a great morning. I did set up my camera on the tripod and just sort of let it record what it wanted to record. We didn't pay too much attention to it, so the footage that I got was not great, but I will share that here with you.
Thank you.
Oh, and an all-season pass.
What's this?
Yay.
Whoa, that's a fancy watch.
So everything
Very,
next to
very
both of us is
fancy.
a game and a movie.
Pretty.
When we put the glass inside, it doesn't get scratched.
Oh, is this a pocket square? Ooh, I don't have one of those.
Hey Austin, is my camera still recording?
Yeah. Says record. Good job, Mom. You got stuff that I like.
You're welcome, baby.
Now I can do my eyebrows.
Get up! You are not a present.
Well, he's a gift to his family.
Yay.
Yeah, well, he left you a lot of gifts
Yay.
back there in that little box.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yay.
That's his thank you. Oh, finally. Maybe you won't break it now.
Someone said something about
Wireless headset, so you won't break
I
it.
was wearing something about some earbuds. I said, you got some of the Dollar Tree for $1.
Yeah. Okay, it's a little too hot to wear my hat, but it's a nice hat.
Yeah.
I got my Xbox collection. That's Austin and Robert, right?
Mm-hmm.
Robbie, for sure. Battleships.
We had one of these.
Yeah, we used to.
I broke it.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yay.
Oh, you're cracking the garbage.
I can't reach the garbage.
Sit up.
Okay, we're all done.
You know we're nice.
I'll just
all
open
those.
I'll just open them.
We're piranhas when it comes to presents.
Well, you still got
Ooh, another hat.
another flash hats and more flash shirts.
You would think you would know better than getting me another flash shirt.
It's on Steve. Avengers, Marvel,
I'm wearing this
comics,
Adidas. I'm letting
wallet.
you know that now. I love this stuff.
Oh God, it's very bright. Do you like it?
It's business on the outside.
No one's
party
gonna
on the
steal it.
inside.
And then after that, we just sort of relaxed. The kids played video games. Robbie got a new PS4, so they were checking that out. And it was just a really low-key, relaxing, lovely morning.
Some take longer than others to open.
No, I think that'll take the thing.
No, that one took way longer.
Oh, I got that one. Hey, Robbie. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. You gonna tell them what you got?
PlayStation 4.
So you're playing Fortnite?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you get?
I got an Xbox controller and a headset and a bunch and gift cards and stuff.
And a game chair.
Mhm.
So how come you're not in your room playing Fortnite with your brother?
Cause he doesn't know how to play, and I'd be able to teach him.
Oh, okay.
I know how to play.
What else did you get, Robbie? It's only been a few hours. You didn't forget already.
A watch.
Uh-huh.
Awesome sunglasses. Like 3 hats.
T-shirt.
2 of them are
Beanies.
beanies. The other one's a flash hat that my brother got me. And then some other stuff that I can't really remember.
A leather jacket.
Oh,
T-shirt.
awesome leather jacket.
Maybe some money.
Cool. So we'll do a whole separate video on what we got for
Right.
Christmas at some point. But for now, you're enjoying your PlayStation 4, right? And your controller you got for it? Can I see it?
Camo.
Cool.
I'm gonna use this and not the one that came with it.
And that sort of went on until it was time for us to go to my in-laws, and we did that, and it was lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I always have these huge dreams of making really phenomenal Christmas vlogs to share every second of it with you, but I just get so busy being present in the moment that I just kind of forget to pick up the camera every year. So hopefully you still got a nice look at how we spent Christmas. It was wonderful. I am so excited about this upcoming year. We had some tough times in 2019, so I am excited about 2020 and everything that it has to offer. I'm excited to be bringing you guys new content in the new year, so be on the lookout for that. I'm hoping to have a what we got for Christmas or what I got my kids for Christmas. I'm not sure yet what it's going to be. I haven't filmed it, but I'm hoping that'll be up tomorrow. And then we're going to go back to regularly scheduled content next week. Budget videos, grocery hauls, whatever else I come up with. So be on the lookout next week for more sit-down videos, less vloggy type videos, but there will be some vlogs in there too. I'm super excited about what this new year has in store for you guys. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of my new content in the new year, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for joining me for Vlogmas. Bye, guys.